Traditionally, when I get something new, I test its limits. Always. I think that's human nature, and now that I think of it, I guess that's why boys break new toys so reliably. How fast can the new boat go? How far can the new lens shoot? How tight? How loud can the new amp get? Now that I'm branching into aerial photography, I have a very capable drone. It can go really fast and higher and farther than is legal. Those three things don't give me the footage I want. I will eventually get a commercial license so I can sell aerial imagery, but for now, I'm just flying for fun and practice. Training. The clips I like the best are low and slow, smooth, like a Steadicam floating 20 feet or less above the deck, and showing ground details like a camera jib. This takes a different touch on the controls and is great fun trying to get it right. I'm not good enough at it at all. Drones make noise. It's not bad, but there is no point in miking a drone. All you'd hear would be the motors buzzing. So here I took a moment to hack through some sound design with elements from the internet. Music, bird calls, wind, dripping water, passing cars. All fudged here in my office. You've seen a few shots of my practice here, and a couple were even slow-mo'd a bit. These last few are stills that I pan and zoom in the computer. It's great how your brain just drinks them in like aerial shots that we had earlier in the show. Most likely I will never make a dime with stuff like this, but for a guy like me, there is substantial joy in the act of creation.